Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make this type of emoji swing effect.
So let's get started. First open your Alight Motion and now add text. You can add anything like emoji, text, or any picture. I am using heart emoji because I love you guys from my button of the heart. Thank you all for your great support. Click on color box and reduce color opacity to make emoji colorful. Click here to align the emoji in center. Now increase your text size a little bit.
No, I don't even like you a little bit.
Increase your layer till where you want to make your emoji swing. Oops. It's too much. Let's keep around 10 seconds.
Now add an effect called oscillate. This effect changes the axis of a layer in positive and negative side. If you change its angle to 90 degrees, then it will swing vertically, and if you change its angle to 0 degrees, it will swing horizontally. I am putting 90 degrees because I want vertical shake. And change frequency to 1.
Now let's add swing effect.
I believe I can fly.
Search swing and add it. Change angle 1 to -3 and angle 2 to 3 degrees. Here also make frequency 1. You can see our swing effect is ready, but let's give it more detail. Add pinch bulge. Make strength 0 and give a keyframe is starting of the clip and another. Keyframe around 15 to 20 frame forward from first keyframe. Change strength to -50 in first keyframe. Give this type of graph. Add one last effect called fading out. You can change it according to your need. Perfect! Now let's see how to apply this effect on other layer.
Copy effect and add your clip.
Go to Effect and simple paste it. It's too simple. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel.